Hi, welcome to The Real Dad Show. On today's episode, we're going to do a DIY on how to clean oil stains off your driveway. We're going to use some ordinary household cleaners that you probably already have in your kitchen. If not, you can get these down at the dollar store or at your local supermarket. Now, just a reminder, if you would like me to promote your business, send me a message or comment below, and we'll get in touch and see how I can do a shout out or a mention of you in my next video. Hopefully a review gets you a little bit more business. So let's just get on to the DIY. Get this a little wet, just a little bit, not a lot. So we're gonna use just this little bit of Oxygen Deluxe that we got at the dollar store. And we're just gonna work that in there. Let the suds kind of get in there. See that? See how it's already starting to turn gray? That means it's working into the oil. Now remember, this oil stain isn't an old oil stain. It's pretty fresh. It's only about 2 weeks old, maybe less. So I haven't tried this on an old stain, so I don't know if it'll work. But it works pretty good on these new stains. We're just gonna work it in real good like that. And we're gonna use some of the OxiClean. Let me get a Okay, we don't really need a lot of the OxiClean, just a little bit. You're gonna spread it around with the brush. And see, it was just enough. You want to work it. You're gonna turn it into a little paste, and you want to work it from the center out to the edges and a little bit past the edges of the original oil stain. And you want to really work that paste in there. Give it a really good scrub. And let's just add a little bit more, but see how that is actually starting to turn lighter? The oxygenated suds are starting to work into the oil stain, breaking it up. The beauty of this is biodegradable. You're not putting any harsh chemicals into the storm drains. Even this, we got this at the dollar store. We use this for the barbecue grill. This is also biodegradable. So I'm just gonna spray a little bit in there just to give it a little bit extra degreaser. Just gonna work that in. You don't want a lot of water. Remember, don't put a lot of water in this because it's just gonna wash away everything you're doing. Really get it in there. A little bit more of this, the OxiClean. Really get it in there. The better you scrub, the better the oil's gonna come out. But the other thing is, you don't want to let this dry. You'll just make the stain worse. Now remember, it's not going to take the stain completely out, but it's definitely going to be a lot lighter and better than what it looked before. So we're just going to go on to the next one. Just a little bit of water. Not too much, just to get Are those two. Okay, that one up there is starting to dry. So, let's see, it's already working. It's magic. One more quick wet dry. Activate that again. Okay, let's wash it down and see how it came out. Yes, we get better results if we use the pressure washer, but this is going to work just fine for now, just to show you. Look at that. Can you get a close-up on that? Look at that. See, you can still see the outline of the stain, but it's not as bad as it was before. And like I said, this is all biodegradable, so you don't have to worry about introducing any harsh chemicals into the environment. So that one right there, I think we're going to do again, just to give it one more wash, and we'll see how much more we can pick up. Okay, so as you can see, that really wasn't that hard. It would have came out better if we had rented the pressure washer, but honestly, I'm pretty satisfied with these results. We're going to let the cement dry. We'll come out and see how the stains look. If we need to, we'll do another pass on it, but already you can tell that they're a lot lighter than they were before. It's never going to be perfect, even if you go get a pressure washer and the most expensive driveway degreaser or whatever, you're still going to have the same results, or at least you're still going to have some stains. So if we have to get a pressure washer, we will, but at this stage, I don't think so. So remember, we're not professionals, we're just ordinary people just like you. We're going to try to do these things, see if they work or not. If they do, we'll pass those on to you. It's a great little DIY. So remember, like this video, share my video, hit the notification button just so you know that whenever we post a new video. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And last but not least, remember, anybody can be a father, but it takes a special person to be a dad. God bless.